Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you the recipe for milk halva. It's one of the famous flavors of Bursa, Turkey. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. So let's start. I took 100 grams of butter in my pot for the milk halva. I melted. You can also use margarine instead of butter if you wish. I add 1 cup of flour on it. I roast for 2-3 minutes, stirring constantly. Then I add 1 liter of milk slowly, stirring constantly. I'm mixing well. Meanwhile, I turn down the stove so that there are no lumps. I add a cup of sugar on it and I cook it until it boils, stirring constantly. Look, it started to boil. I turn down the stove now. Let's boil it like this for 2-3 minutes. I mix it occasionally and then add a pack of vanilla on it. I take it from the stove and mix it well. I wanted to pour in casserole pots. You can also put in normal pots that can enter the oven. I'm filling my pots. I'm waiting for them to cool down completely. Then, let's place them in a tray after they had completely cooled down. I pour some water to the bottom of the tray and put it in the oven at 200 degrees like this. I keep it in the oven until the top is browned. And then I decorate it with ground walnuts. You can decorate as you wish. I serve it hot, but you can serve it cold if you wish. I hope you guys will try and like it. Thank you for watching my video.